Hello everyone, very good evening. As we are into our lockdown period, so I thought of doing something new. As we know that this is English Language Week going on, and we had our English Language Day on 23rd April. So I thought of uploading and telling something new about English language today, which you will be very much amazed and surprised to know about all the facts. So please listen to all the things, whatever I have made for you. I think you will like it and it will be really useful to you during your future. Thanks everyone for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe my channel for further videos. I would like to know more if you want me to upload something new. I would like to explore new things and do something new for you all. Thank you all. English Language Day, 23rd April. English Language Day at the UN is celebrated on 23rd April, the date traditionally observed as both the birthday and death day of William Shakespeare. The day is the result of a 2010 initiative by the Department of Global Communications, establishing language days for each of the organization's 6 official languages. The purpose of the UN's language days is to celebrate multilingualism and cultural diversity, as well as to promote equal use of all 6 official languages throughout the organization. What is in a name? That which we call a rose by any other name would smell as sweet. It is written by William Shakespeare in Romeo and Juliet. Language days are great for informing and increasing awareness and respect for the history, culture, and achievements in each of the below mentioned languages. The days are as follows: Arabic, 18 December, Chinese, 20th April, English, 23rd April, French, 20th March, Russian, 6th June, Spanish, 23rd April. There are 15 amazing facts about the English language. Number 1. English is the world's 3rd most spoken language. Second, there are around 360 to 400 million native speakers of English around the globe. Number 3. 1.75 billion can speak English as a useful language. Number 4. 67 countries have English as an official language. Number 5. There are 12 million English teachers in the world. Number 6. There are 1,71,476 active, 47,156 obsolete, and 9,500 derivative words in the Oxford English Dictionary. Number 7. In India, around 100 million people speak English. They earn 34% higher than their counterparts. Number 8. 11% of the entire English language is just the letter E. Ninth, the shortest, oldest, and most commonly used word is I. Now, the tenth one, I am. It is the shortest complete sentence in English. 11th, the longest English word that can be spelled without repeating any letters is uncopyrightable. Number 12th, on average, approximately 1,000 new words are added to the Oxford dictionaries online every year. 13th, English is the official language of the skies. Pilots speak in English on international flights. 14th, the word girl was not initially used to refer to a specific gender. It used to mean child or young person regardless of the gender. Now the last one, but not the least, pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. It is the longest word in English language. The word refers to a lung disease caused by inhaling very fine ash and sand dust. Thank you.